Hi everyone, how is everybody doing? And welcome back to my channel. 2 weeks ago, I dyed my hair from ash blonde to black because it was just fading out and I didn't like the way it was looking. So I was like, you know what, let's go for a jet black. I bought like a hair color to do at home from Walmart. I did it. I loved it for a few weeks and then now I'm back into that whole I don't think I like black on me. It makes me look, I don't know. I just didn't like how it looks. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how I removed the black and how I dyed with another color. So I'm gonna show you everything step by step, and so if you guys want to do the same at home, it's easy for you. So you're gonna use what we called a developer 30 volume. It's gonna help your hair color lift. A hair color remover, so I got this one from L'Oreal. It removes the permanent hair color, even salon color, leaving your hair immediately ready for a recolor with a new shade. It says that we should get a new color in order to reapply the new desired color right after we are done removing the previous color that we don't want anymore. So for that I got this one here, and this is the L'Oreal color in the shade Catagena 5C cool medium brown. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm back. I put my towel on and now I'm gonna go ahead and start with a hair removal first. So this is my first time using it. So this comes in the hair color remover. The instructions. Oh my god. So number one, the developer in the container that contains the powder. So I'm going to open this one. Open the number one. Just going to put everything into the second container. It says to close and then mix. I'm gonna start with the bottom, so like here, and then I'll go slowly all the way onto the top one. Alright, we're doing it, guys. It obviously has a strong smell. I'm insisting on the end because I don't want my other color to be light here and then it's all black still on the end. So of course I want to make sure that that area is well covered. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for 60 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be right back and to show you the result. Wash my hair and look at this. Okay, I have still some parts that are left black, but most of it, like it's more, okay, this is like not good, but I'm gonna cover that with my new color. Yeah, it's definitely dark brown now instead of jet black, so I'm super happy. Look at here on the end. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. It's a little brassy color, but I'm gonna recover that with my new one. So why don't we just go ahead instead of talking forever? And I know you guys don't like when people talk too much on camera because you're like, oh my god, just go straight to the point. And I totally understand because I'm the same when I watch YouTube videos. So let's go straight to the point. I'm putting my gloves on. I am opening the container number one, the container number two. So number two, gel color, I'm gonna pour that in the container number one, which is the color optimizing cream. Here we go. So into that mixture, I'm gonna add a little bit of my developer. I'm adding this much of developer. 2 of this quantity, so the lead quantity. This is my first time adding developer in one of my hair color. Putting a little bit of on my gloves. and I'm starting here from the bottom. All done. Applied my new color, and then I'm gonna let it sit for maybe half an hour or so. Hi guys, I washed my hair, I dried, I straightened it a little bit. I think it came out pretty good. The black color, in my opinion, is almost gone. I may have some parts left, some darker part left here and there, but overall the jet black color is gone, and it's more like a dark brown now, like a chocolate dark brown color. I might lighten it a little bit later on, but not right now, because I just don't want to damage my hair as it is the same day again, do another color on the same week. I kind of like it, and fall is coming up pretty soon, so I feel like for fall this is like a really nice color. So yeah, this is what it looks like here. I don't know if you guys can see this, like here. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can have a perfect picture of what it looks like. I think I covered pretty much everything for today. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching, and please take care of yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye!